So most of my friends, they don't know how to make simple egg omelette or egg bhurji or scrambled eggs. So you know what? Let's make it. So I'm going to take 5 eggs. So you can take 2. Start at 2. As I'm going to gym, I need my body needs more protein. So I add 5 eggs here, and I'm going to remove 3 yellows out of this. So I have taken 5 eggs. So I'll remove one by one yellows. So take a big spoon and just remove like that. One, 2, and 3. So this is my protein source, and I'm going to show you how a simple salad I make. That is your choice. You want to have salad or oats. So mix it like this. Now, simple. That's it. Now we'll make a pan. So let's go to the pan now. Okay, you can see. Just add this one. Okay. So here, what I have to do is take an olive oil. So here I have taken an extra virgin olive oil. This I know. I can order it from Amazon. Everything is available. So let it heat. So you can take olive oil, just a little, and you can switch to coconut oil also. If you like coconut oil, you can take that. So now, spread. Okay. Add the mixture. Make sure your heat is very low, and from the moment you add, so start doing mixing. Okay. Let it cook slowly. If it is little bit sticking to the end also is not a problem. It will come out at the end. Okay, so see how it's going to be a layered, soft, fluffy. Mix. Making it slow. Generally what we do is we cook in a high flame and we burn, it doesn't look good. But when you make it in low flame, it looks fantastic, very soft. Now at this moment, you have to add your salt. And I added oregano. Just taste. If you like oregano, add pizza seasoning, thyme, basil. There are so many things like chili flakes, black pepper. Options are available. So make your signature. I like to have very simple thing. I don't want to add too much of masala or something. See, 5 minutes, done. Switch off. So now my friends, my nutritious protein filled low calorie breakfast is ready. So start with the low calorie. don't try to understand what is calorie, but start with having a lot of vegetables, lot of fruits. At least you start right now, and add a lot of protein. So simple. So here I have added half banana, 4 strawberries, and 1 full carrot. So these are very low in calorie, high in nutrient. Better than all your dosa, idli, vadas, you know. And they also like bananas. And Nawab, this is what happens every day. Yeah. Okay. So eat healthy, stay healthy.